nurturing not just educators but visionaries who mold the future of education. Welcome once again. Now I request Dr. Santanu Talukder for the expert session. Dr. Santanu Talukder did his undergraduate in physics and electronics engineering from Jagatpur University, Kolkata. After that, he moved to Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, for his master's and PhD in nanoscience and engineering, where he worked on material transport and lithography at micro and nanoscale. After PhD, he joined Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel for his postdoctoral studies on self-assembled monolizer. Since 2018, he is working as a faculty member in the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science Department of AICTE Bhopal. Till now, he has published more than 40 scientific articles in high-impact review journals and top conferences. He has received several awards also. To name a few, Best Teacher Award from AICTE Bhopal in 2022, Best PhD Thesis Award from Indian National Academy of Engineers in 2016, Gandhian Young Technical Innovation Award given in Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi in 2017, Frenberg Graduate Scholarship from the Weizmann Institute in 2017, Rapt Srishti Grant for the year 17-18. Since joining AICTE Bhopal, he has completed 2 research projects of total value about rupees 50 lakhs funded by the SERB Government of India. At present, he is working on 3 more Government of India funded research projects: AMT funded by DST, CRG funded by SERB, Respond funded by ISRO. About 10 students have completed their master's thesis under his guidance. He is also guiding 4 PhD theses. At present, his research interests are in micro and nanoscale devices and sensors, lithography, IoT system development, etc. Now, may I call Dr. Santanu Talukder to start his expert session.
So a very good morning to all of you. Thank you, Madam, for the nice introduction, and I would like to first thank Dr. Leena for inviting me and giving me this opportunity for this particular talk. So I will first start with some briefing about overall this topic, like the electric vehicles and renewable energy sources. And as you know that this is a faculty development program, so I have assumed that the faculties, majority will be the faculties. So accordingly, what I have also prepared the talk such that where I go into deep in particular section which is also related to my research. Okay, so am I audible without this?
Yes.
Yes. This is sounding funny. Okay. So let me ask you first. How many of you are faculties? I guess mostly this side some 4, 5, and these are students. Students from which year? Second, third year. And so all of you are from electrical or electronics background, or anybody from some different background also? Electrical and electronics, right? Nobody from mechanical or materials or related domains. Okay. So see, while we talk about like any of these current research topics, right? So whether it is renewable energy or it is electric vehicles, none of these things like this product has been built by only a single community, right? Single community means whether somebody is from electrical, somebody is from computer science, somebody is from mechanical or materials, so everybody has to contribute. And in this level, like while you are not a layman user, rather you are trying to develop something, then you, even though you are from a particular field, you need to understand mix of the other fields also, the other, like which is related to this particular different kind of innovation or discoveries, things like that. So I will go one by one, and you will see that how electronics, mechanical, and chemical, all these things are very much related, specifically targeting on electric vehicles and renewable energy. Okay, and they are all connected by some particular components which are basically called sensors. So I guess sensors all of you are aware of. So sensors is something much bigger application wise, because it is not only in one electric vehicle में ही सिर्फ sensors हमारे life में everyday use में होता है, including all the automobiles, and specifically now we are having these autonomous cars, smart cars, right, driverless cars, all these things. Then the role of the sensors are even becoming bigger and bigger. And same for the renewable energy devices. If you do some Google search, then you will see majority of the renewable energy devices or energy harvesters basically are in the micro nano scale, and there is specific reason for that, and I will come to all of that. And then the topic of this talk will be mostly focused in the how we make this kind of micro nano scale sensors devices, and what is their role in electric vehicles as well as energy harvesting. So madam, before starting, how much time do I have combining the talk and the okay. I will try to. So, before starting, any of you has been to AICTE Bhopal, which is in Gauri? No, none of you. Yes, you two have come. That I know. Other than Dr. Lina and Dr. Ashish, anybody else? No. Okay. So let me take this opportunity to invite all of you to this beautiful campus, which is just like 10-15 minutes drive from here, from SISTec. Okay. So if you go towards Gauri, then once you cross NIFT, then right hand side there is a big gate. You will see, and there will be written Indian Institute of Science Education. This one. Okay. And the Bhopal bypass road. So that is connecting the Indore highway. Okay. And so this is just some beautiful pictures I have put, and very soon, currently itself the campus looks something. I think the picture quality is a little poor in this projector. But anyway, the thing is that the winter time is the best time to see, because the whole campus will be flooded with flowers and colors. Okay, and we have several departments. Mostly it started, so either started in 2008. Okay, initially with only the science department, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and environment, and later on in like sometime around 2013-14 or so, engineering departments also started. So initially it started with electrical engineering and computer science department, from the department I am, and then chemical engineering, these two departments. And after that, in 2020 or so, even data science and engineering department has been opened. Okay, so currently, if you see all the ISERs, like ISERs and IITs have a specific difference. The difference is ISERs was started in the model of IIC Bangalore. Anybody has heard about IIC Bangalore? Among the students, do you know IIC Bangalore? This is the top institute of India currently. If you see, many a time you will see that IIT Madras is coming at top, and that is because only they have more number of undergraduate students. So, but if you see the research wise, then IIT Bangalore is always the top institute in India. Okay, and so ISIS was started in the model of IIT Bangalore, but then there was some particular issue in giving the same name, so the name was given IIACM. Okay, so Bhopal, Pune, Kolkata, there are total like that 7 ISAs. Okay. In Mohali, Tirupati, Berhampur, like that. And ISAR Bhopal is the only ISAR which has engineering departments, and that makes it unique. And also, it gives all the faculty members as well as the students from engineering discipline a enormous opportunity to work state-of-the-art research, and also in collaboration with various science field faculty members who are also top of their domain. Okay, so in either you will find the science faculty members also like very good science faculty members, and as well as the engineering faculty. And so battery so in either the students are like undergraduate students are taken by two different channels. One is IIT JEE, and IIT JEE means even either don't take JEE means pass students, only advanced students. Okay, only JEE advanced students, and then either has like who has qualified or passed JEE advanced, and within the rank of like 10,000.